How many unique PCs do you think you can possibly build? 100,000? 200,000? Well, the result might surprise you. Even if we limit ourselves to modern AM4 Ryzen processors, that's still 48 options. On top of that, there's 400 compatible motherboards, 1,500 coolers, 5,000 unique graphics cards, 9,000 different DDR4 RAM options, 5,000 storage options, 3,500 mid to full ATX case options, and 2,000 compatible PSU options, leaving us with a whopping 45 septillion unique PC combinations, more than there are stars in the galaxy, and it's not even including Intel.